Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 20, 2025 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong July 20, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, July 20, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 20, 2025, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, July 20, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of July 20, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.